National Accountability Bureau is a premier anti-corruption agency established in 1999 under the National Accountability Ordinance and operates to eradicate corruption and corrupt practices with a comprehensive approach of awareness, prevention and enforcement. Headquartered in Islamabad, it has regional offices in all provinces. NAB has jurisdiction all over Pakistan and investigates offences of corruption, including illegal gratification, misappropriation of funds, accumulation of assets through illegal means, misuse of authority, willful default, cheating public at large, criminal breach of trust, and money laundering. It probes white-collar crimes transparently, recovers ill-gotten gains, and prosecutes offenders in specialized accountability courts, all while promoting public awareness to prevent corruption at its roots. Cases in NAB are initiated on the basis of a complaint by any individual or reference forwarded by any department or on its own accord. Since assuming office in 2023, NAB's chairman, Lieutenant General retired Nazir Ahmed Butt, has steered the Bureau towards unprecedented achievements, transforming it into a more efficient and trusted institution. Under his leadership, and just in 33 months, NAB has been able to make historic recovery of 11,440 billion rupees, which is 13 times higher than the previous tenures of 23 years. Retrieval of 4.85 million acres of state land from illegal occupants worth 90 trillion rupees. Investigation of 21 mega money laundering cases worth 118 billion rupees. Through these efforts, NAB has returned 207 billion rupees to 1,31,531 effectives of illegal housing schemes and financial fraud. This era has been marked by bold institutional reforms, including end of political victimization, leading to evidence-based and impartial accountability, restoration of public trust, along with confidence of the business community and bureaucracy by ending unnecessary harassment, and for this purpose, establishing business facilitation centers in collaboration with respective Chamber of Commerce and Industries and accountability facilitation centers at each provincial secretariats. Introducing a robust internal accountability system to uphold the highest standards within NAB, digitization of processes, and introducing NAB's e-office, leading to paperless office environment, AI integration into NAB's operations to enhance quality of evidence analysis, streamlining case management, and effective conduct of investigations. These measures reflect a holistic evolution from aggressive enforcement to a balanced approach emphasizing prevention, transparency, and economic protection, with a strong focus on delivering tangible financial relief to the victims of mega scams. Under current leadership, NAB is not just recovering wealth, it's rebuilding faith in Pakistan's commitment to a corruption-free future.